Welcome to SolidPlus3D, the powerful and easy-to-use finite element analysis solution designed for engineers who need fast and accurate structural validation. In this demonstration, we will perform a linear static analysis on a connector plate assembly and evaluate its structural performance under loading conditions. We begin by importing the CAD model directly into SolidPlus3D. The software automatically recognizes the geometry and prepares it for simulation, allowing engineers to move quickly from design to analysis. Once the model is loaded, SolidPlus3D displays important geometric information, including volume, center of mass, and mesh statistics, providing immediate insight into the model before analysis begins. Next, we generate the finite element mesh. SolidPlus3D creates a high-quality mesh while automatically refining critical regions where stress concentrations are expected. This ensures accurate results while maintaining efficient solve times. With the mesh prepared, we define the analysis environment. Individual surfaces and regions are identified for applying loads, supports, and boundary conditions. We then assign the material properties. In this example, stainless steel is selected from the material library. Material data is automatically linked to the model, eliminating manual calculations and reducing setup time. The solid section properties are defined and associated with the component, ensuring the physical behavior of the model accurately represents the real-world part. Next, we create a static analysis step. This defines the loading scenario and establishes the conditions under which the structure will be evaluated. Boundary conditions are then applied. The mounting holes are constrained to represent the actual support conditions experienced during operation. With the supports defined, external loads are applied to the connector tabs. SolidPlus3D provides intuitive tools for applying forces, pressures, and tractions directly to selected surfaces. The complete simulation setup is now ready. The model includes geometry, mesh, materials, constraints, and loading conditions, providing a comprehensive representation of the physical system. We launch the analysis solver. SolidPlus3D processes the finite element model and computes the structural response of the component under the specified loading conditions. Once the solution is complete, results are immediately available for review. 1. We begin by examining displacement plots to understand how the component deforms under load. Color contours clearly identify areas of maximum and minimum displacement. Next, we evaluate stress distribution throughout the structure. Critical regions are automatically highlighted, allowing engineers to quickly identify potential design concerns and validate structural integrity. Engineers can rotate, zoom, and interrogate the model interactively to gain deeper insight into component behavior and performance. Using SolidPlus3D, design teams can validate concepts earlier, reduce physical prototyping costs, and make engineering decisions with confidence. From CAD import to result visualization, SolidPlus3D delivers a streamlined workflow for structural analysis, helping manufacturers accelerate product development while maintaining engineering accuracy. SolidPlus3D simulation made simple.